Hi guys, today we are gonna play Slime RNG and go from 1 to 50 billion money. And here we are. And in this video, because of the DICE UI and others, that covers the place where I usually put writtens. I won't be able to put them. And my slimes are beating the enemies, lol. And now we're gonna click upgrades and buy backpack. Two and 4 luck multiplier. And a 1 in 103. Very good. And like that, we reached the 3rd island. Then the 4th. And I even got to try the admin spin. That obviously got me nothing good. Yo, I might get something very good. Good. At least I had some luck this time. And we are gonna get the big slimes upgrade. Peak. And after some rolls, we unlocked the islands. Hitted the bonus jackpot. Upgraded, got some pretty good slimes. Reached heaven. Rebirted 5 times. And yeah, this is just what you do in the game repeatedly. And we got slimes 1 in a million or 1 in more than 100k. And for reach fast, the 50 billions, I decided to stop doing rebirths and simply keep grinding. And we finally reached 50 billion, so I guess this is all for this video. Thanks for have watched and goodbye.